Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will show you three different methods to solve this problem. The first method is very easy. You need to make sure that your app is up to date. So you need to go to your Play Store or App Store and find out if your Cash App is up to date. So if it's not up to date, you need to update your app and then you can try to link your card. If there is no issue with the update, you need to open your Cash App, click your profile icon on the top right, find linked banks in the menu, click linked debit card, and you need to try to link your debit card manually, guys. So you need to click no card on the bottom, then you need to click continue, and from here you need to find your bank and link it manually, guys. So for example, you are using Bank of America and you want to link your Bank of America's card to your Cash App. You need to click Bank of America right here, then click continue to login. It will move to Bank of America's page where you need to enter your login information, and then you will link your Bank of America account to your Cash App. So that's the second method, how to link your card. So if still it's not working, you can do another thing, guys. You can use Cash App web version. Just use a desktop computer or laptop, open Cash App, and try to link your card using the web version. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.